Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Pakistani Girl in USA. I hope you are all doing great. In today's video, we are diving into a super exciting topic that is Shopify print on demand predictions for 2026. If you are thinking about starting an online business or growing your existing store, so guys, this video is definitely for you. So grab a cup of chai, relax and let's get into the future of e-commerce together. Let's start from the introduction to the topic that is the future of print on demand in 2026. The print on demand that is POD industry is expected to experience major transformations by 2026 driven by advancement in digital printing, automation, AI integration and the global e-commerce growth as more entrepreneurs shift towards low risk business models, POD continue to stand out because it requires no inventory, minimal upfront investment, and offer unlimited creative potential. Higher quality customization and eco-friendly product choices for seller the next few years represent a unique. So guys, by 2026 the industry will become more efficient, more personalized and more sustainable. Consumers will expect faster production opportunity to prepare for a more competitive yet highly profitable POD landscape. So guys, now I will tell you why Shopify remains the top platform for POD, that is print on demand sellers. Shopify continue to dominate the print on demand POD space because of its user friendly interface, wide range of integration, scalable features, and strong global infrastructure. Unlike marketplace based platforms, Shopify gives sellers full control over branding, design, pricing, and customer experience. Additionally, thousands of apps such as Printful, Printify, Gilato, and T-Lounge make it easy for entrepreneurs to connect POD services directly to their store. By 2026, Shopify's focus on speed, mobile first optimization, and AI powered business insights will further strengthen its reputation as the best platform for POD businesses of all sizes. The evolution of POD technology. What is changing by 2026? POD technology is rapid evolving, and by 2026 we can expect dramatic improvement in print quality, production speed, and product variety. Digital printing machines are becoming faster and more efficient, reducing turnaround times and enabling same day or next day production for many times. New software tools will allow sellers to create design more easily using templates, 3D previews, and AI powered editing. The expansion of global production partners will reduce shipping costs and delivery times, making POD product more accessible and competitive worldwide. Overall, the technological upgrades will make POD more reliable and also attractive for both customers and also sellers. So guys, now we are going to discuss AI driven product personalization and customization trends. AI is expected to play a central role in POD by 2026, especially when it comes to personalization. Customers will increasingly demand products that feel unique and tailored specifically to their taste. AI tools will enable dynamic personalization, allowing buyers to customize design instantly with names, colors, images, and even style suggestion for sellers. AI will assist with generating high quality design, analyzing niche trends, predicting customer preferences, and also automating marketing tasks. So, guys, this shift toward AI driven customization will make the POD industry more efficient and also significantly more creative. Next one is predicted best selling POD niche for 2026. By 2026, the most successful POD niche will be those that align with lifestyle trends, personalization, and also sustainability. Popular categories are expected to include personalized apparel, home decor, fitness and wellness accessories, pet products, eco-friendly items, and niche hobby-related merchandise. The growing demand for customized gifts such as family portrait, wedding items, and milestone-themed products will also continue to rise. Niche connected to digital culture such as memes, gaming, streaming, and fandom communities are also predicted to remain strong. Sailors who focus on micro niche and personalization will have the greatest competitive advantage. Sustainability and eco-friendly POD product on the rise. Environmental concerns are becoming increasingly important to consumers, and by 2026 sustainability will be a major selling point in the POD industry. More customers will prefer products made from organic, recycled, or biodegradable materials. Sustainable printing methods, water based ink, and on demand production will significantly reduce waste. POD suppliers are expanding their eco friendly product lines, offering items such as recycled polyester clothing, bamboo accessories, and also organic cotton bags. Sailors who highlight sustainability in their brand messaging will gain customer trust and stand out in a crowded market. The role of automation in streamlining POD businesses. Automation will become a key driver of POD success by 2026, reducing manual tasks and also increasing efficiency. By automated the order routing, AI powered customer support, automated social media posting, and smart inventory forecasting will allow sellers to focus more on creativity and marketing. Shopify's automation tools combined with POD app automation will minimize human error and speed up workflows. So, guys, this shift will make it easier for small businesses to scale without hiring large teams, helping them compete with bigger brands. So, guys, now we are going to talk about new printing techniques and material expected in 2026. By 2026, print on demand will benefit from improved printing techniques such as advanced DTG, DTF, and UV printing that deliver sharper design and longer lasting print. Automation in embroidery and the rise of 3D printing will expand product variety, allowing sailors to offer more customized and premium items. New eco friendly material and higher quality fabrics will also enhance overall product durability and customer satisfaction. Now, we will talk about challenges POD entrepreneurs should prepare for in 2026. POD sailors in 2026 will face increasing competition, higher advertising costs, and rising customer expectations. For fast shipping and flawless customization, supplier reliability and global shipping delays may still create occasional challenges. To stay competitive, entrepreneurs must focus on strong branding, niche selection, design quality, and building trust through excellent customer service. So, guys, now it's a time of conclude the topic. So, in 2026, success in print on demand will depend on embracing new technologies, using automation and AI smartly, choosing profitable niche and prioritizing product quality and sustainability. Sellers who adapt to changing trends and focus on delivering value to customers will be best positioned for long-term growth in the rapidly evolving POD market. So guys, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Take care guys. Bye bye.